So where am I right now? I've just arrived, just collected the keys to another amazing property that we are going to restore and turn into a magnificent 7-bedroom HMO. We are going up into the loft and we were also transforming this amazing house. So I'm gonna let you in and see what it's like. So we've got a gorgeous Minton floor here that we're gonna restore. This is a nice big entrance hallway in here, lovely arches that we're gonna restore as well. Gorgeous fireplaces. Unfortunately, most of them will be gone because of room sizes and things like that with HMOs. But this is going to be an amazing bedroom with ensuite in here. This is going to be another bedroom with ensuite and really big. This is a huge property. Really nice, big space, roses on the ceiling, got some lovely damp and stuff down here. But listen, hey, you don't buy those kind of properties that are already finished, right? We want to add value. So we're going to take this and make it into an absolutely amazing property. Now look at this. So yeah, the fireplaces, although they'll come out, they will be reused in like our flips and things. So we do restorative flips. So we will put them back in there to have gorgeous features. But look at this gorgeous Argus. So what we're gonna do, this side's coming out and then we're knocking out here where the doorway is to make it like a through kitchen in there. There'll be a nice seating area in here and this is gonna become a gorgeous feature. And things like this we're gonna leave too. So this is a bell for what would have been, look, front door, dining room, drawing room, bedroom 1, bedroom 2. So these are lovely little features that normally would be ripped out. So all of this is going to be ripped out and started again. We're going to make the garden very low maintenance. This property was purchased for 180,000. We're going to be spending 73,000 on it for the renovation to turn it into a 7-bedroom all ensuite HMO. The top room on the top floor is going to become a bed sit, so that's going to have its own kitchen and everything in there, so it's completely self-contained. Now this is going to be worth, when it's finished, 455,000. How do I know that? Because I've already had my valuation from the bank showing that it's going to be worth that when we've finished with what we are normally doing with it. So look at this lovely ivy. I mean, some people call it house cancer. You can see it used to be on the wall here and it's now fell down. Yeah, fun. So this is going to be an amazing bedroom with an ensuite in as well. And then this is a nice bathroom. So we're going to utilize this space, like bring it out, knock it through there. Another bedroom with ensuite. So they're all double rooms. They're all nice, really big size rooms. And again, so what we're doing here is this staircase is going to be flipped round. So therefore you're coming up this way. And then the new staircase is going up the opposite way. So the current way the stairs is now, that's going to be going up to go in there for room 7. Okay. And then this, we've got another bedroom in here with an ensuite, another bedroom in here that's going to have an ensuite. And again, we're going to utilize all this dead space on the landing. So it's just amazing, right? Features, benefits, 180,000. You do the math. We've got about 87,000 all in with our renovation, furnishings to cost to buy and everything like that as well. And then we've got a little bit of money that we need to pay back our investor because we have had an investor fund for this deal. So they'll be paid back as soon as we do the refinance, plus they'll be paid their percentage on top, so we make them loads of money as well. And we're gonna have another like 50,000-60,000 spare after we've paid everything back. So it's amazing. We're making a huge flip profit, but we've also got an amazing infinite return cash flowing asset for life. This will cash flow 1,400 net every single month after everything has been paid, and it'll be fully let within no time because we always get ours fully let before they're even finished. And again, if you want to know how we do this, how we find these kind of deals, how we get our properties let before they're even finished, before they've even got plaster on the walls, I sometimes have them. I had let a room a few weeks ago before it was even built. If you want to find out how to do that, get yourself to Real Life Property Wealth. Share this post, get yourself there, tag your friends. We'll see you very soon.